Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. Well, fall and winter are upon us and it's time to put away our patio furniture for the season. WLEAFJ has sent me their patio sofa cover to help me out. I really love it so far because it comes with a storage bag for off-season, and the other features for this patio sofa cover are top-notch. Let me show you. The sofa cover is lightweight and easy to install over your furniture piece. WLEAFJ offers various shapes and sizes for patio furniture. At each corner of the sofa cover, there are these latches that simply buckle around the leg of your furniture piece to safely secure it so the wind won't blow the cover off. Once you get your buckles latched and tightened around each leg, use the pull string feature at the one corner to further tighten the cover around your furniture piece to keep the elements off your cherished furniture piece for the season. It's a high quality cover that makes your furniture look good even while it's covered up. There's a seam that should be on top of your piece that will let you know if you have installed it properly. It has handles on both sides, and the cover is made from durable materials that should get you through many windy and cold seasons. It's sun damage resistant and waterproof. If you want your patio furniture to stay clean and dry this winter, check out WLEAFJ Patio Sofa Cover. But that's just my point of view.